Are you looking to send better emails? One of the most powerful ways to improve your email strategy is by using behavioral triggers. Behavioral triggers are actions taken by your audience that give you insights into what they care about, allowing you to send more personalized, timely, and engaging emails. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use them. Behavioral triggers are based on your subscribers' actions, like clicking a link, making a purchase, or even just opening an email. By tracking these actions, you can create a smarter email campaign that adapts to their behavior in real time. The beauty of this is that it allows you to send more targeted messages without guessing what your audience needs or wants. You're responding to what they're already doing. So, how do you get started? First, you need a software that tracks these behaviors. I've tested a lot of the most popular options, and I'll show you how to use one of the best tools on the market today. This software allows you to set up automation that triggers emails based on actions like a user signing up, abandoning a cart, or clicking on a particular product. It's all about timing and relevance. Let's dive into a simple example. Imagine a user adds an item to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. Using behavioral triggers, you can automatically send a follow-up email to remind them of the item they left behind. This can be as simple as a friendly reminder or an offer to sweeten the deal, like a discount or free shipping. That's a clear example of how behavior triggers work in real time. Another great example is sending emails based on what people click in your newsletters. For instance, if someone clicks on a link about a specific product category, you can send them a targeted email about similar items they might like. It's all about giving your audience what they've shown interest in, making your emails feel more personal and relevant to them. You can also use behavioral triggers to re-engage users who haven't interacted with your emails in a while. If someone hasn't opened your emails in a few weeks, you can automatically send them a special re-engagement email with a unique offer or content that's likely to catch their interest. It's like offering them a reason to come back, and it works. Now, you might be thinking, how can I set this all up? Don't worry. I'll be linking to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it if you want to follow along with these exact steps. Quick recap on the main points. 1. Behavioral triggers are based on actions your audience takes, allowing you to send more personalized and timely emails. 2. Use automation to set up triggers based on user behaviors like cart abandonment, clicks, or inactivity. 3. Make your emails relevant to what the subscriber is doing, like sending follow-ups after actions or re-engagement emails when needed. The key takeaway from today's video is behavioral triggers allow you to automate smarter, more relevant emails that keep your audience engaged. Remember, the right message at the right time can make all the difference. Before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial to the software we discussed in the description below, so you can start using these behavioral triggers today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.